National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern DuPage County in northeast Illinois, southern Kane County in northeast Illinois, northeastern Kendall County in northeast Illinois, northwestern Will County in northeast Illinois until 4 o'clock p.m. At 3:01 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing half-dollar size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Hinckley, or 6 miles north of Little Rock, and moving east at 30 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Elburn around 3:10 p.m., Sugar Grove around 3:15 p.m., North Aurora, Montgomery, and Geneva around 3:25 p.m., Aurora, Batavia, and Oswego around 3:30 p.m., Warrenville around 3:40 p.m., Naperville and Winfield around 3:45 p.m., Lisle and Wheaton around 3:50 p.m., Woodridge and Downers Grove around 3:55 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Boulder Hill and Glenbard South. If you are in the path of this storm, prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building and away from windows.
This is NOAA's Weather Radio KZZ 81 Lockport.